Guys, today I will be unpacking and testing this Orca Smoke Alarm. So, you can see here, it has a 10-year warranty, photoelectric. Okay, so this has a built-in battery, so you don't need to change it. Okay, you can see here the pictures. Good for ideal for living areas, bedrooms, and hallways. Features photoelectric sensor. Extra loud warning tones with low battery warning, test button, hash button, sealed battery operation, easily installed. So as I said earlier, 10 years to the original purchaser. Okay, I'll open this now. So it should be from this side. Here. Okay. So here's some warranty registration card. Then some probably instruction manual. Then here is the product. So comes with screws for attachment, and also this one is the base attached to the wall or to the ceiling, and here's the product. You can see here there's a this is the on-off switch. So right now it is set to off, so if I pull it out, that will be set to on. Okay, so I'll try this now. Turn this on. Yeah, then now it is on. Let's too much pull out, put it back, and just like that, then should be on. So just push this one. See, it's blinking. You could try to test the sound. So that's a beep. Okay, I will install this now, and that's it. So this is Orca Smoke Alarm. Thank you for watching.